I am opening this up bit by bit and I'm going to share my honest opinion with you. Hey friends, and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Alexa Borota. I'm a high school English teacher. I typically make videos around teaching, day in the life, teaching tips, things of that sort. Today's a little different. About 2 weeks ago, maybe not even that, I did a thing. I ordered from that app, that Temu. I still don't know if it's Temu or Temu. Anyway, you know, the prices are unbelievable. I've been thinking about ordering. I finally did it. And before I unpackage this, I thought I would take you along if you are someone like me who can't help but wonder the quality, okay? The prices in a nutshell are phenomenal. Does the quality match what I'm viewing online? Is it worth what I spent? So I'm gonna take you along. It's currently winter time. I actually have off today. It's a snow day. This is a Tuesday. I am filming this. I was just outside playing in the snow with my kids. They're currently eating lunch in their toy room. They are likely to come out and say hello. So here we go, what's inside? Winter things, okay? It's winter time. I decided to go with a pair of shoes. I decided to go with a shirt. I went with a pair of tights. Let me just stop talking. Let me open. Let's see. Feels like Christmas. You know I'm gonna try it on before I give you a review. Let's go. So without further ado, open. Should I adjust this? Like, I'm not used to this, like filming unwrappings, unpackagings and things. Do you like my style? Okay, looks wise, they look exactly how they look on their app, on their website. Wow. The quality feels good. The quality feels really good. Let me open up the other one. Okay. I just think these are super cute. Looks wise, these colors. Next, I really wanted a pair of warm pants. I wanted to try out their fleece pants. I just couldn't believe how affordable they were. I needed to know how, you know, just how thick they really were and how they felt. Oh, I like this. I think I just elastic. It's got a nice elastic waist. This is what got me. This feels so soft. It looks so soft. It feels so soft. Okay, if it works out and I like these, I'm going back and I'm getting these in every color they offer. But you know, you always have to start off with the black. I'm gonna try these on with my boots. Wow, I'm just amazed. It's hard to really tell how thick they are. They're not super thick. I mean, this is for teaching, okay? It's not about to, you know, go run a marathon in these. So I have my boots, I have my pants. I needed to order a shirt, right? I just needed to try. This looks so cute online. You know, I don't remember exactly, but it was probably a girl with her coffee, probably a braid just like this one. They got me, I fell for it. It looked cute, so I wanted to try it out. I wanted something that I could wear for the Valentine's Day's coming up. Also something I could wear in spring. I really don't own much pink. I love this nude pink color, but it's a cross between pink and nude. I really don't have much pink, and I just thought this looked really cute. I knew that the material would be thin, and I wanted that because I figure I could wear something underneath of it when it's cold. In May, even over the summer, if I'm at the beach, this is something I could maybe throw over a bathing suit or throw over a tank top. I mean, I love this, and I'm not even forcing it. If I forced it, I could. To try to give you a closer look, it's just so lightweight. I'm kind of obsessed with it right now. I feel like I should let you know that This is a medium. I typically wear a small to a medium. It depends on the purpose of the shirt, if that makes any sense. I bought this to be comfortable when I want to be comfortable. I knew that I might want to throw it on over something else. I don't want it to be tight, so I knew that I wanted to go with a medium. A small would definitely still have fit me, but I don't regret it, okay? If you want comfort and you like this whole sleeve situation, I would say go with the higher size, not the lower. Now let's try these pants out. You know, based on the price, I'm a little bit in disbelief at the comfort and quality and support that I feel in these pants. I mean, you already saw they're furry inside. They're super just comfortable on my skin. And I mean, just to give you a sense of the thickness, it's too soon to say how well they feel after they're washed. I know this type of material is the type where things tend to cling to, so I know I will not be throwing these in the dryer with anything that is not black. I might honestly even let these hang dry because I know this material and everything sticks to it. So there's a little food for thought. I get a little self-conscious wearing pants that have colors. Don't ask me why. They can just be a little more revealing, but these have a really good thickness to them, so I would really consider trying these out in other colors. Size-wise, I'm usually a medium. I can get away with smalls, but in terms of being comfortable, medium. These feel really good. They don't feel too big or too small. They honestly fit just right, so I would just go with your average pant size. 5'7". They come all the way down to my ankles. They're not riding up it anyway. So if you're a shorty, yes, I said shorty. Yes, I said shorty. They might be a little long on you. And if you're tall, I mean, if you're tall, I think you could get away with these and be just fine. I love this shirt. I'm not taking it off. These pants are so comfortable. They feel so good on my skin. I know I'm getting another pair. I'm a little torn which I like more, these boots or these sleeves. If you're interested in anything that you saw today, I will link descriptions. I will attach links in my description box. I honestly can't wait to try some more products. I'd like to order some products in some different categories, maybe something in organization, maybe something in kids. Maybe something in skincare. I'm really not sure yet. Whatever it is, I'm happy to do another unboxing with you. So thanks for watching. Happy shopping.